Drilling precise holes is a fundamental skill in woodworking. It can be intimidating for beginners, but it doesn't have to be. A simple DIY hack can make drilling easier and more accurate. This hack uses common household items. It's perfect for anyone starting their woodworking journey. Let's get started now. You don't need fancy tools for this hack. Here's what you'll need. A piece of scrap wood. This will act as a guide for your drill bit. A clamp. Use this to secure the scrap wood to your workpiece. A drill. Any standard drill will work for this hack. A drill bit. Choose the size that matches the holes you want to drill. A pencil or marker. This is for marking your drilling points. This easy-to-follow guide will help you drill straight and accurate holes every time. First, measure and mark. Begin by carefully measuring and marking the exact locations on your workpiece where you need to drill your holes. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure that your project pieces fit together perfectly. Use a sharp pencil or marker to ensure clear visibility. A clear mark will guide your drill bit precisely. Next, clamp the guide. Place the scrap piece of wood directly over your marked point on the workpiece. This scrap wood will serve as a guide to keep your drill bit steady. Securely clamp the scrap wood to the workpiece using your clamp. The clamp should be tight enough to hold the wood firmly in place but not so tight that it damages the wood. Make sure the scrap wood is flush with the workpiece. This ensures that the drill bit will enter the workpiece at the correct angle. Then, start drilling. Position your drill bit over the marked point on your workpiece. Take a moment to ensure that the drill is perpendicular to the surface to avoid angled holes. Now here's the key. Instead of drilling directly into your workpiece, drill through the scrap wood and into the workpiece. This technique helps to prevent splintering and ensures a cleaner hole. The scrap wood acts as a guide, preventing your drill bit from wandering. This is especially useful for beginners who may struggle with keeping the drill steady. Finally, remove the guide and finish. Carefully detach the clamp and remove the scrap wood to reveal your work. Once you've drilled through both the scrap wood and into your workpiece to the desired depth, carefully remove the clamp and the scrap wood. Take your time to avoid damaging the hole. You'll be left with a clean, straight hole exactly where you need it. This method ensures precision and can be applied to various woodworking projects, making it an essential skill for any woodworker. Section 4. Workspace Setup. Preparing for success. Before you start drilling, take a moment to set up your workspace. A well-prepared workspace is key to achieving professional-looking results. First, choose a stable surface. Find a workbench or table that won't wobble while you're drilling. A wobbly surface can lead to inaccurate drilling and even dangerous situations. Next, ensure good lighting. Make sure your work area is well lit. Good lighting allows you to see your markings clearly and monitor your progress as you drill. And finally, wear safety glasses. Always wear safety glasses when operating power tools. This protects your eyes from flying debris. Section 5. Precision drilling techniques. Tips and tricks from the pros. Here are some advanced tips for achieving even better results with this drilling hack. Start slowly. When you begin drilling, start slowly and gradually increase the drill speed. This will help prevent the drill bit from slipping and marring your workpiece. Apply even pressure. As you drill, apply firm, even pressure downward on the drill. Avoid pushing too hard as this can cause the drill bit to overheat and break. Clear the chips. Periodically, lift the drill bit slightly to clear away wood chips. This will help prevent the drill bit from binding and overheating. Section 6. Avoiding common pitfalls. Don't let these mistakes derail your project. In this section, we'll explore some of the most common mistakes that can derail your woodworking project and how to avoid them. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, these tips will help you achieve better results and save you from unnecessary frustration. Even with a helpful hack, there are some common mistakes to watch out for. Skipping the pilot hole. This is a crucial step that many overlook, but it can make a significant difference in the quality of your work. If you're drilling into hardwood, it's a good idea to drill a pilot hole before using the larger drill bit. This small step can save you a lot of trouble down the line. A pilot hole is a smaller hole that helps guide the larger bit and prevents the wood from splitting. It ensures that your drill bit goes in straight and reduces the risk of damaging your workpiece. Another common mistake is using a dull drill bit. This might seem like a minor issue, but it can have a big impact on your project. A dull drill bit will require more force to drill through the wood, increasing the likelihood of errors. It can cause the drill to slip, leading to inaccurate holes and potential damage to your workpiece. Make sure your drill bit is sharp for the best results. A sharp bit will cut through the wood more easily and produce cleaner holes, clamping too tightly. While it is crucial to secure the scrap wood guide firmly, be cautious not to over-tighten the clamp. This is a common mistake that can lead to problems. Excessive pressure can distort the workpiece or even damage the wood fibers. This can ruin the appearance of your project and make it less structurally sound. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your woodworking projects are successful and enjoyable. Section 7. Embrace the hack, your gateway to woodworking confidence. Welcome to a journey where we transform simple techniques into powerful tools that boost your woodworking skills. This simple drilling hack is a game changer, especially for those who are new to woodworking or find drilling a daunting task. Imagine the ease of drilling perfect holes every time, without the stress of making mistakes. By using a scrap piece of wood as a guide, you can overcome the challenges of drilling straight and accurately placed holes. This method ensures precision and saves you from the frustration of misaligned holes. This technique gives you the confidence to tackle a wide range of woodworking projects. With each successful drill, your confidence grows, making you more eager to take on new and more complex projects. Whether you're building furniture, putting up shelves, or crafting smaller wooden objects, this hack will undoubtedly come in handy. It's versatile and can be applied to various projects, big or small. So go ahead and give it a try in your next woodworking endeavor. Prepare your tools, gather your materials, and set up your workspace. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. The satisfaction of seeing your project come together flawlessly is unmatched. We'd love to hear about your experiences using this drilling hack. Share your stories, the challenges you faced, and how this technique helped you overcome them. Share your successes, tips, and questions in the comments below. Happy woodworking! Let's build a community where we can all learn and grow together.